it's there. So this task is to perform an exercise whereby I put this image inside text, so using the clipping mask. So if you go through my previous video, you will do almost the similar task, but using without using the clipping mask. All right, so the first thing, I have my Photoshop open, my image that I'm going to use, this one, and also have this layer for the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock the this layer. Then I'm going to have a copy of that image layer again. So I'm just going to press down and drag it to this plus sign at the bottom in order to copy or to come up with a copy of the layer. You could also do the CTRL J shortcut to create a copy of a layer. All right, so with that done, let me just view fit to now. I think it's clear. So I have my two layers here. Now I want to add some text. So come to my text tool. So click on my text tool. Then I will start type. So the text that I'm just going to type is a simple text. Type mountain. So my text is there. So I'm going to one more thing. So I'm going to do control to do it free transform. So I'm going to down the, and then I can also enlarge the text a little bit more like this. I think that's okay. So with my text done, I'm just going to, all right, let me move the text again. Yeah, so more center. So my text is done. So what I'm now going to do with my text layer on, I'm going to bring my text layer below the copy of my image. But before that, let me just do a drop shadow to my text. So whilst I'm on my text layer, I click on this option and take out the drop shadow. So once you go to the drop shadow, you could play around with options, or alternatively you could just drag it, increase the opacity, or you could decrease the opacity to your liking. So feel free to play around with the other features. So I'm just going to click on OK. So my text is there, and my text is also showing a drop shadow. So that's it. So I'm just going to drag that text, or I can just drag this layer for my image, then I can just put it up. All right, so my image is on top of my text, so I can see the text just for now. Then I'm also going to create another layer, which I'm going to add a solid color on it. So I'm going to click on this plus sign again, then to create a new layer. So this layer, I'm just going to name it to background. So shortcut for background. So after that, I'm just going to drag the background layer, put it below my text, so that my text comes with a background. So on that background layer, let me just add a solid color to that background. So I'm going to click on this icon. So this is the icon that will add the background. So click on it, choose solid color. Solid color, you choose the color that you want for the background. Color, you fill, then you click. So I'll use my background color. Done. Now, one simple task to do is to right click on this image layer, the top layer, and so click and choose the option which says create a clipping mask. So that's it. So I now have my image placed within the text that I have created, the text which was what? Mountain. So I can come around and I'm on my image layer. I can even position the image to be seen on my text. So you can see here, this is the reason why we needed a background. So this is the background that we chose. I can also come to the background on it. Then using the color picker, I can change my background to maybe match what is on my text, which is taking colors from the image. So feel free to play around with it. You choose the color that tallies with what you want. So this is a simple tutorial on how you could place an image within a text. So we'll see you in another video. Have a great day. Thank you.